I'm Caro, the program director at Wildwoods, coming from our secret headquarters, where we explore really cool concepts of nature and science that we find in our everyday lives, like how the slinky illustrates a waveform, or how the veins in the sleeve are kind of like the veins in our bodies. But not all of our adventures are inside. We also take you on awesome field trips. Let's check in with our adventure guide, Simone, to see where she's exploring today.
Hi Carol, today I'm checking out the tide pools in Malibu. It's a beautiful day, the sun is shining.
This is a great place to find amazing creatures such as sea urchins.
I visit places like this, the LA River and the Santa Monica Mountains, streaming high definition video and audio into your classroom, and I interact with your students in real time, and I hope you can join us on our next adventure.
Thanks, Simone. So if you're interested in learning more about our virtual programs or in-person classroom programs, please contact us at programs@wildwoodsla.org.